Hi guys, welcome to the other video. Today, pretty sure I'm gonna show everybody my new Dogman books. I got all of them. See, I got Dogman Unleashed. I got all of them, all the way to the top. This is the end of the book. I wish there was more. Everybody liked it. Hussein, if you're watching this, or Kaden, Cade, one of my friends, I'm gonna do it right now in school, okay, guys? So I'm gonna start recording one of my videos, the old ones, the plushies, everything. Everybody record the cats and everything. I am pretty sure I'm not going to fail this. If everybody's watching this, please do a like. I went to Vicon too. I'm just a little person in a big place. It is pretty, and it is pretty, like, weird. Nobody can see me. I never visit that much. I just visit there for 1 minute, then be gone. Pretty sure my mom's over there. Like, 50. Okay. So, guys, if you're watching this, please. I got a guitar every day. I gotta be quiet and just pretend I'm not doing other video. So I'm pretty sure I got my old bracelet from game day. I didn't put it as a bracelet. I put it as a string. Pretty sure I decorated all my big plushies. I could pause the video.